house by the sea lived a girl so fair, with skin like pearls and flowing hair. Her laughter echoed through the air as she danced with her parrot, colorful pair. With feathers bright as the morning sun, the parrot soared, having endless fun. Together they'd sing, their voices as one. Under the golden rays of the afternoon sun, the girl would whisper secrets soft and sweet as the parrot listened, perched at her feet. Their bond was strong, and unbreakable beat in a world where magic and friendship meet. So in that house by the sea they'd stay. The beautiful girl and her parrot were made for each other's company, come what may. They found joy and love in every single day, every single day. In a house by the sea lived a girl so fair, with skin like pearls and flowing hair. Her laughter echoed through the air as she danced with her parrot, colorful pair. With feathers bright as the morning sun, the parrot soared, having endless fun. Together they'd sing, their voices as one. Under the golden rays of the afternoon sun, the girl would whisper secrets soft and sweet as the parrot listened, perched at her feet. Their bond was strong, and unbreakable beat in a world where magic and